I'm Danette Allen. I am the head of the Autonomy Incubator here at NASA Langley Research Center. We began life as the Autonomy Incubator in October of 2012. In late 2013, we actually moved into this space. This building has learned its way from a simple gymnasium to an auditorium to a full-on theater where we are working on cutting-edge technologies. We're proud to say that the picture of Samuel P. Langley that was left here for us when we moved into the building will be going with us to our new building, Building 1230. We're very excited about the new space.
My name is Erica Mazares.
I'm Miranda Smith.
Jeremy Castagno. I am Javier.
Cassie Day.
Skylar Jordan.
Derek.
I'm Kyle.
Zach Mobell.
Benjamin Hargis.
Carson Adcock.
Charles Noren.
James Farrington.
Megan Chandarana.
I'm Andrew Fitz.
Brian Duvall.
I'm Locke.
You can say it more confidently. Okay.
I'm Locke.
My favorite part about the AI is just over here. Come with me. Here you can see on display some of the AI's exotic and unexpected and usually unwelcome wildlife.
Two favorite things: the trail that runs beside the building.
My view. And seeing the trees and the clouds and the grass and the wildlife and everything.
And this room, how we changed it so that it's not a cave anymore.
The fact that the interns work in a bar. We call it the intern cave now because it was a bar. It's very dark and kind of mysterious. You can see it had this kind of Hawaiian tiling on this fake roof. They actually took out a bunch of the tiles and auctioned them off to NASA employees.
The haunted basement. It's great. A little bit scary, but whenever you go in there and you think about all the things that have happened in this building, it's amazing.
This is my favorite spot in the building. It's where I hide to scare the interns when we bring them here on their first day.
Plenty of places for things to hide and pop out at you, or places for you to hide things and surprise other people.
That spider.
The giant spider that hangs up above, there's nothing like walking in the morning and forgetting it's there.
We can come in here, we work on all these cool quadcopters and flying projects, and we play hard and we work hard, and sometimes mistakes happen, like holes in ceilings appear. I don't know how a hexcopter went through it, but it happened.
Oh, there's just so much history here. It's an incredible place to work, and I've just really enjoyed my time here.
Wait, how long have you been here?
This is my first week.
This control room up here, because you can look down on the floor and you can spy on people and see what they're doing. And it's also really cool when we used to do demos because you could see all the vehicles flying. But right now we're packing and you can just see everyone packing stuff.
The freedom. Freedom? Yes, I am free to do research.
Much like its people, it's got an unassuming nature. When you come inside, you realize just how much what goes on here will contribute to the future of autonomy.
All the different vehicles that we have the opportunity to do research with.
The stage area, because of all the great demos, like the 100-year anniversary.
All of our Pathways interns and Javier, who we will be leaving. So be safe during the demolition. I'm gonna miss you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna miss you too.
We're leaving him in the basement.
A cherished southern gem. Perfect 5,000 square foot behemoth of love.
Quirky, but in a way that a real estate agent would say quirky to upsell the fact that it's falling apart completely.
An auditorium that they made a flight center that somehow works as a flight center.
The love child between a hoarder's house and an electrician's garage.
It's the birthplace of the future of autonomy in America or in the world.
Spacious and durable because it can survive a nuke.
Spacious and well laid out.
Spacious. Naturalistic. Definitely one with nature here.
Groundbreaking. It's a place to be when you really want to work on cool projects every day.
The AI has such a culture of helping interns do interesting things. You're not going to get that working at some startup that's just trying to help you find a better dating app.
Lead paint. Peeling.
Station right up here.
Look at all that.
Indescribable, ineffable, undefinable. Arctic, freezing, tundra.
An eclectic, schizophrenic old friend.
Building is great.
What are you going to miss the most?
The great flight area that we have right now. It's very flexible. It's a very big flight area. So we've flown a lot here. So that's what I will miss the most.
I like to think that the building learned from us and we learned from the building, and ultimately we ended up with this great partnership. This building is almost a member of the team.